Hey guys, welcome to another video. Just know, there was a video I made on this game, but then I never actually posted it because it got messed up. Someone came in my room and started talking to me, and I just felt the feeling like it was to like just talk to someone while recording a video. So I deleted the video and I never posted it, but we're going to make the same video again. I'm gonna see if anyone's in my fan code. Probably not. Oh yeah, no one even knows my fan code for this game because I never ended up posting it. Okay, that's my fan code. If you ever, I'm gonna go in that room. I mean, not room, but you know, lobby. Not every time I make a video on this game, because sometimes I'll be in Publix and just you might meet me. I don't know. But basically, on every game that has that you can put in private codes. That's the private code. Well, it's not really private, but you know, that's the code I'll be in if you ever want to meet me. Just know I won't always make a video. 7,400 more seconds. What's this again? Oh, camera mod, yeah. Not really a mod, but you know. What did I spend all my bananas on? What did I buy? I don't remember what I bought. Okay. Just, if you think this is mod vents, it's not. It's actually trusted user. There is one game you can get out of the map with. Oh, jeez. I didn't think about going to the bathroom when I started recording. I completely forgot I needed to go pee, so. Like my mind forgot that I needed to go pee. Oh, jeez. Oh, it's so laggy in here. I'm gonna just go quickly. Oh, jeez. It's so laggy. You may not see it, but it is so laggy for me. Oh, I don't even know if I'll be able to do this. What the hell? What? No! What the fuck? What just happened? What just happened? Well, I fell and then I fell through the map and then oh god. Go. Come on. Yeah, bro. Maybe if I do this, that's still laggy. Bro, I can barely move. I'm going as fast as I can, and it's barely moving. What's going on? Help me. Bro, still I have no idea what happens. Like, huh? Go quickly. I just gotta. Oh, it's actually not that laggy, but. Oh. Boom. Oh, jeez. No, jeez. No. Oh, I get it now. I don't, like, do that. I gotta look at where I want to go. Okay. I get it now. So I don't, like, swim. I, like... You'll see. You just do this. There you go. I didn't even... Yeah, never mind. I'm just not going to. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to get out of the map. So, if you want to flex, you can Lucio all the way up there. But if you're like a little decent and you can't really Lucio wall run, just wall bounce up here. And if you're lucky, you can, like, if you have like really long arms, you're able to like stick your arm up there and then pull yourself up. So yeah. But here's the easier way, and here's the method that I use. So, we're not gonna go in space. Okay, down here. Now get to this specific corner. Get right here. Oh. There is a little barrier there. I don't know why, but yeah. And then, oh, it's a little hard, but it works. Okay, you get right there and you just squeeze yourself up, and then you get a little to the edge of my boundary. Oh no. There, I did. Okay. Boom. So you gotta catch yourself on the edge of the map. So yeah. And then I still haven't done it. But if you get to this very corner at the slide, and either once again you Lucio up and you have to get to like the exact height of the slide, you'll like the barrier won't be there. Or you can try, I still haven't done it either. You can try to wall bounce up there. But it's hard because I don't know where the wall is. No, I made it over the barrier, but like, I just pushed myself away. Oh, jeez. I'll go right here. No. Oh, geez. Yeah, but yeah. I'm sorry. I'm out of breath. Here's something you can do. It's gonna be a little tricky because I just found it out, so. I don't know if I'm able to do it, but oh, dang it. I think I know. Hold up, I can get there. Please. Okay. Dude. I can't. I really... Jeez. Come on. I could do it the easy way and just... Whatever, I'm just... Dude, for real? I can't do this. It's too tiring. Oh, I did it. Is there like a... What? If I don't get it this try, then... Oh yeah, no. I'm done. Bro, are you genuinely serious? Yes. Okay, so if you grab onto it, then it'll zip line you. But it won't zip line you if you just don't grab onto it. You just balance on it. Right here. There. Now, I'm gonna show you how to get in there. Oh, okay. So first, you go to this little slide. Now, if you go on the front, it kind of works, but the sides are easier. Oh, I'm sorry, I went to the wrong slide. What slide is it? I don't know. I remember getting there. Here? No. Oh, I found it. It's this way. Secret tunnel. Not really. Yeah. There you go. And then we made it. That's weird. Well, then you... But yeah. I don't really know what else to do. It's kind of boring. I'm not doing horror, I'm sorry. I'll do it if this gets at least 50 likes. if it gets 100, I'll do it by myself. But if it gets to 50, I'm gonna like make a video on doing horror in Xbox with some cool monkeys. So, bye.